Welcome to another crazy adventure. This time we happen to be at Hollywood Studios, where we bring not one, not two, but three Jedis, where I'm the one who doesn't have a lightsaber, unfortunately. But anyways, the reason why we're here is not simply just lightsaber. You cannot be in Hollywood Studios and not bring your lightsaber. We're here to show you every single update that we know about here in Hollywood Studios, especially in Galaxy's Edge and Toy Story Land. So
I'm ready.
We hope you guys are ready for this one, because we're gonna bring you up to speed and all the information of everything that's happening here at Hollywood Studios. While Karen looks pretty with her.
Although I think I need an outfit.
Yeah, exactly. Look at that one. But anyways, let's head on.
He's conflicting right now.
I know. Let's head inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel.
All right, guys. So as you can see, we finally made it here to Batu, here at Hollywood Studios, and we're just basically gonna be showing you, like I said in the intro, everything new or updated that we need to know about here in Galaxy's Edge. So I hope you're ready to have fun with us. But anyways, if you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to Cool Case Adventures. And our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Hollywood Studios and any other Disney theme park. With that said, consider becoming part of our family by simply subscribing. And also,
smashing that like button.
If we're sharing any valuable content with you. Jedi, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
Let's go. Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it!
I could show you how to defeat
It happens to be a Wednesday night, almost at 7 o'clock, and this park is buzzing. It's popping. Look at that. The park closes tonight at 9 o'clock, so it's on. We only have about 2 hours. Not a big deal, but it's still kind of like busy, so it'll be interesting what we find. But now that we're heading back there, I want to see how long is the standby for rides around this time and give you guys an idea, you know, what to expect. It's almost 7 o'clock, and this is how we're looking here at Mickey Minnie Runaway. I just want to give you guys an idea of what to expect. Do we know how long is this?
75 minutes.
75 minutes. This ride and rides happen to be the two individual lining lane. So again, it's one of the things that is a gamble. You either wait up until the end and try to do it at the end, or you actually buy lining lane. So you see all those people that are walking by us, they have lining lane. So I already show you.
Look at the line.
Look at the difference of the line. They're just going in. If you have lining lane, you're just going in. That's it. Something to keep in mind. Usually it's about $7 per person. It could go up to $10, so it's really up to you guys. But again, 75 minutes, and we still have 2 hours before the park closes. All right, family, seems like it's been a little while since we've been here in Galaxy's Edge, mostly during the night. If you guys have not been here during the night, this is a must. It's a different experience, and it's just an unbelievable and amazing thing to do. But anyways, how long is the standby line right now for Rise of the Resistance at 7:05? It just happened to be 95 minutes currently. So no matter what time you arrive around here, Rise continues to be a very popular ride. Now here's the lining lane, and most of the time lining lane actually gets sold out by just the resort guests. But as you can see, there's no line. So if you happen to buy it like that, then that's a good deal. Oh, look at this beauty over here, and I'm not referring to Karen this time. But anyways, there's character sightings around here. There's been videos and pictures of Chewie and Rey now hanging out in this area. They're back in this area. I only wish, honestly, that they would do it more often, even at nighttime like they used to before. I don't know what's wrong with him. But the fact is that I feel like Galaxy's Edge needs the characters like they
It needs
used to.
life.
Yeah, I remember when they first opened it, you could see characters roaming around all the time at different times of the day. I don't know if some of you remember, but I think it lasted maybe a week or 2 weeks when they used to have like a drone show over here.
Oh, yeah.
It's just like we need that back. Galaxy's Edge is like not the same. So we happen to be now here at the Outpost, and one thing that I want to mention is like in Disneyland or Galaxy's Edge or Batu West, they happen to have, I think it's banana and something else popcorn, you know, equivalent to what we have over here, but they didn't bring it over here to Florida.
We have a different flavor, don't we?
I think so, but you know, they continue to bring things like that, things like the coffee that they brought one time.
Oh, yeah. To California. We're
Yeah,
not here.
everything's just towards California. And also, you like right now that we cannot see characters. When we went to California during July, we were able to hang out with Ray and Chewie, and the park already closed when they were still out there.
Still out, yeah.
So
weird.
after the fireworks and all that, so it's kind of like I wish they also provide that over here.
I
So
don't know why you don't.
just a side note, so you guys have an idea. This is the popcorn that they have. Which one was this, Karen?
That's gonna be, I don't know, blueberry and lemon?
Yeah, I think that's the blueberry.
Oh, no, blueberry and chili.
So, yeah, oh yeah.
Lemon.
That's the lemon, yeah. So yeah, that's basically the two flavors that we have over here. They have not changed. It's the same thing. So, checking out the Legacy lightsaber, and this is the brand new Darth Maul Legacy lightsaber. And they also have the old one, and Luke's and Leia. I'm sorry, Leia and the dark lightsaber. And about a few days ago, they had nothing. So that's kind of good that you have
And
something
this one's brand new, so this one like just came.
that just came. And
Yep.
I'm sure you probably don't have as many, right?
Oh, we still do. We still do. Yeah. People have
still
been
do.
going for these ones just because these ones are older. So
Ah.
when they're like gone. Gone. But these ones, we could get them back. So it's always the possibility of getting it back.
Gotcha. Well, there you go. So now you know that.
And then this one, actually, because it's new, these two can be hilted together to dual wield too.
And that looks cool, though.
Yeah.
That looks cool. So
The switch is right there.
this is the switch. So again, this is Darth Maul, newest
And
Legacy
most of the kyber
lightsaber.
crystals actually inside.
Yeah, that's what it makes it unique. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Wow. What is the price on this one?
So this one is the same one as the regular one.
Okay, so 160. Yeah,
And this is
160,
a
right?
dual wield.
Oh, there you go. And when you combine them, you could do it like that. There you go. Looks pretty cool though. I seen it in pictures and it looks pretty amazing.
That one, right?
It looks sweet.
And then this one's the regular one.
And that's the regular. There you go, guys. So if you're a huge Star Wars fan, I encourage you to come here ASAP. Here, Karen, I'll let you.
Oh, that's not even heavy.
No.
It looks heavy, but it's not.
Or-
Well, I guess because
Or like race is heavy.
But it's a dual one, so it don't get heavier when you.
Now somebody said it's not as heavy even when you combine them. It's not as heavy. They feel light. So see, he
I'm
has
not
it.
supposed to, but like hold it for like 2 seconds.
See, there you go. No, not at all.
I like the feel of this one.
I like it too. This is
why I don't bring Carlos to gas.
this is the worst part of having access to Galaxy's Edge, especially when a new Legacy lightsaber comes out. Honestly, we have become addicted to them. I think we have like 3 or 4 already. As you can see, the kids are carrying a Legacy one. Karen has Rey's. We also have the dark saber at home.
Benju, but that's not a legacy.
Yeah, we got quite a few, so it becomes very addicting and costly pretty quick. Now, the cool thing about this is that you never know when they're gonna stop selling it. With that said, it holds value. There's a lot of collectors out there, so it holds its value pretty well. So, but just to come over here, collect them, have fun with it. We're probably gonna find a spot in the office, and and then when we need them, then we'll grab them. All right, family, the moment of truth. This is how it comes inside the case. We're actually opening it over here in the park because we're getting ready to do a photo pass picture. We have always dreamt of that, and the other day finally I pulled the trigger and said, you know what, as an annual pass holder, let me pay the whatever $99 for the entire year. We never have photo pass, so I'm literally taking advantage of that now. So also I think this brings the tools that you need to do in order to switch this part over here and connect it, but it only works, as you heard it, it only works with the old Darth Maul hilt. It doesn't, so you cannot connect the new one.
Two of them together?
Right.
Oh, that's pretty
You gotta do the old one and the new one, or the two old ones. You
okay,
can.
so that means we gotta get the old one.
You got it. They're forcing you to get the old one, which is honestly, that's what is forcing me to think of. They're not gonna discontinue the old
Right,
one.
yeah, no, not now.
Which it was the rumor. Everybody wanted to like think that, or they were saying that they were gonna discontinue it. So they
Man, Race is still the heaviest that we have, man.
yeah, it's pretty
That
heavy.
one's heavy.
All right, family. So one of the major updates here in Galaxy's Edge is this entrance. They actually took this the cover down.
The cover down. The walls.
And, yeah, and this is the exit backlash entrance for the Galactic Starcruiser ship. That is I think the first one is on March 1st, if I'm not mistaken. And you can make it there for an extra $5 to $6 grand for 2 nights if you can. But
Pocket change.
you know what? We'll be watching other content creators, but I cannot wait. So
Right.
experience that, because obviously we're not gonna be able to do it. It's just we cannot afford it. So this actually opened up sometime this past week, which is pretty cool. We're getting closer and closer. Another thing to point out: once you happen to be here during the night, you could hear the ships flying over you. There's so many things that you could hear over here. So you feel right. You feel even more immersed at this point. So now we happen to be here at the Droid Depot. The next update that we have for you is this little guy over here. I know, right? But he actually doesn't walk or anything, right? He just sits over there. Yeah. So you just use like a R2 body, and then just add the accessories, the hands and the legs and all that, and then you could have it sitting at a desk or a shelf. Also, look over there, right in the middle, they are getting the boxes again. At one point, remember, I think it was last week when they ran out of the boxes. So finally this week they have them back. And in case you were wondering how much it is, it's $69.99. And this is everything that bring on the box, right?
Brings the head, and then the arm, the weapon, and then the legs.
So basically you have to just get the actual droid body,
yeah.
for it then.
Which technically we have.
Yeah, we have an R2 body.
We have an R2 body.
So we can convert it. All we have to buy is this
box, yeah.
$6.99, and then we will be $69.99, which is pretty expensive for just 2 legs, 1 weapon, and a new head. So
Cool, isn't it?
it does look cool, yeah. It will be cool, but yeah, a bit expensive. So anyway, brand new. I think it came out last week actually. So the next update happens to be here at Toy Story Land at Woody Lunchbox, because look at that. Right behind there, they're actually putting awning all over some of the tables. So I'm assuming, this is what we're assuming, they're gonna be done with that section over there and then move it over here and so on and so on, because it just makes sense. So now you're not gonna probably be dealing with these umbrellas anymore. You're gonna have your own awning. So that's a pretty good update here in Woody Lunchbox. So pretty cool. Never
For the bad weather.
right, and if you never tried Woody Lunchbox, highly recommend it. So I want to show you a closer look of what we're referring to. So there's the awning right over there. As you can see, that's what they're going to be putting all around here. So that's good to know that they're actually expanding too, because that area is brand new. That wasn't there, so they're actually expanding it too. The next update is going to be for Toy Story Mania. You remember once you get out of Toy Story Mania that there's like a store at the end?
Yes.
So that store, they actually officially shut it down. because it's gonna be Jesse's new store. They just recently announced, I think it's Jesse's Outpost or something like that.
I think, yeah.
So they recently announced, maybe not even a week ago, that they were gonna add that to Toy Story Land. So we're
good
super
theming.
excited.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
good theming. Jess is getting her own store,
As
which
she
is
should.
awesome. So it will be right there, right at the exit of Toy Story Mania. All right, fam, the next update is gonna happen in this area. This being like this for a good year and a half, 2 years now.
Been a while.
They finally announced the
What's coming?
Woody Ronda BBQ is actually opening up sometimes in 2022. Oh.
I'm excited for this.
Yeah, and by the way, it's gonna be a table service restaurant here in Toy Story Land.
You know-
They haven't released, that many more details, but we're eager to find out and be here when that happens.
Yeah, I hope we can get reservations because it should. I mean,
Yeah.
it's barbecue. Oh,
And it's Toy Story.
Toy Story.
It
barbecue.
will be. It will be packed.
amazing to see that.
So both Jesse's store and this restaurant are scheduled to open on 2022.
That's awesome. And lots of updates for Toy Story.
Yeah, barbecue restaurant here. What are you thinking?
I'm excited. It's food. It's barbecue. There's nothing else to say. And it's in Toy Story Land. It's giving. So.
Yeah. So, but the fact that it's being a table service, we can expect the prices to be
Could be a little
a bit up there.
And it could be a all you can eat. They
Yeah.
haven't announced what kind of table service. It's gonna
Right.
be.
But I know I focus on Kyla about barbecue, but Kaleo loves barbecue more than any of us. So
The barbecue.
it's a barbecue place. How you feeling about that?
I want to eat here so bad.
You want to eat here so bad?
Yeah, I wish it was open right now. So
I know, right?
If you never, if you want to know a little bit about Kaleo, he's into like ribs and things like that. He likes, that's a fun fact. He likes, he likes brisket.
Oh.
He loves brisket now. And ribs. And Kyla is more into the steak, backlash, a little bit of ribs. So, but Kaleo is more the barbecue guy.
Oh, no, we back.
All right, guys, so there you have it here from Hollywood Studios, where we took you around, showing you every single update that we know of that is happening currently now or is about to happen in the future. We even got a lightsaber, so that was a plus over there, I guess, for me, right? But anyways, what do you guys thought? You have fun?
Yes, I had so much fun, even though we haven't been here forever. So.
even though we didn't even do any rides, it was still so fun.
Yeah, exactly. So, this is a cool place to hang out, right, Jen? Yeah.
Especially in Galaxy Edge. Right.
So if you happen to be here and then you're like, okay, what should I do tonight? Come over here, hang out. And there's nothing wrong with that. Take some pictures. We took some pictures at Galaxy's Edge with the photo pass. So it was super fun. But anyway, sadly, this adventure has ended. With that said, we got to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn that bell for notifications.
Really comment down below. As number 2.
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And stay awesome. See you guys next adventure. Bye, guys. Boom.
See ya.
Bye.